Do you know that you can help save the lives of over 100 animals a year by going vegan?
Hello, this is Karen from My Vegan Venue, and today I'd like to show you how to make 3-ingredient vegan meatballs. Okay, let's get started. Step 1 is to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And in step 2, we will assemble our ingredients, which include a 12 to 15 ounce package of defrosted vegan veggie burger crumbles, 1/2 cup of wheat germ, and 2 tablespoons of dried Italian seasoning, dried basil, or other herb combination. Step 3, we will add the ingredients, the veggie burger, the wheat germ, and the seasoning to a blender or food processor. Step 4, we're going to process the ingredients for 30 seconds to 1 minute until everything is well combined. If the mixture starts to stick to the side a little, go ahead and stop the food processor and push everything down with a spatula and continue processing. 5, use a tablespoon to transfer about 2 tablespoons of the mixture to your hand. Squeeze the mixture together and form into the shape of a meatball. Step 6, transfer the meatballs to a nonstick cookie sheet or a nonstick skillet. You can also use a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper if you'd like, and then place them into the oven. Bake them for 20 minutes. Remove them from the oven, allow them to cool for a few minutes, and then eat them as they are. Also consider using them in a meatball sandwich or with your favorite spaghetti and sauce. Hope you enjoyed this recipe from My Vegan Venue. Visit us at www.myveganvenue.com for more recipes. Thank you. Enjoy.
Do you know that you can help save the lives of over 100 animals a year by going vegan? My Vegan Venue can help you transition to veganism or stay vegan with our simple and sumptuous vegan recipes. Many recipes use vegan meat and dairy products to help simplify going vegan and staying vegan, and also take advantage of many readily accessible vegan staples. We proudly donate 10% of profits to the United States Humane Society's Pets for Life program.